Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Amazon Transcribe. Amazon Transcribe is a powerful automatic speech recognition service that converts spoken language into written text. It's incredibly useful for a wide range of applications, from transcribing customer service calls to creating subtitles for videos. This service leverages advanced machine learning to provide highly accurate transcriptions, supporting over 30 languages and dialects. It's designed to be both efficient and scalable, making it a fantastic tool for businesses and individuals alike. To begin your first transcription job, you'll first need to upload your audio or video file to an Amazon S3 bucket. Once your file is ready, head over to the Amazon Transcribe console. Here, you'll select Transcription Jobs and then Create Job. You'll specify the S3 location of your input file, choose your desired output format such as JSON, and select the source language. For example, if your audio is in English, select NUS. It's a straightforward process that gets you started in just a few clicks. Amazon Transcribe offers several features to enhance accuracy and tailor transcriptions to your specific needs. You can create custom vocabularies to ensure accurate transcription of unique names, product terms, or industry-specific jargon. For audio with multiple speakers, enable speaker diarization, which can identify and separate up to 10 distinct voices. If you have multi-channel audio like a call center recording, channel identification helps process each channel separately. These tools significantly boost the precision of your transcriptions, making them incredibly useful. Amazon Transcribe has numerous practical applications. You can transcribe meeting recordings, making them searchable and easy to review. It's excellent for generating accurate subtitles and captions for videos, enhancing accessibility for a wider audience. Businesses often use it to analyze customer service calls, extracting valuable insights and identifying trends. For optimal results, always aim for clear audio with minimal background noise. Remember, the service operates on a pay-as-you-go model, with the first 60 minutes free each month, making it cost-effective for many uses.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.